Are you excited about AI but don't know where to start? How can your business benefit from AI? How will you make your money back? TCS and Microsoft work with companies of many shapes, sizes and industries, many of whom had the same questions, from financial services and retail to healthcare, energy and manufacturing. We help them brainstorm ideas and then bring those ideas to life with all types of cutting-edge technology, including private AI capabilities where they can protect their data while generating unique value for their organization. TCS works with Azure OpenAI service because of its strong commercial offerings, enterprise-grade security and private AI capabilities. With tools like GitHub Copilot, we want to help you gain a competitive edge and create new revenue streams. How can TCS help you adopt Azure OpenAI service? First, we help you learn what's possible with Azure OpenAI service through proofs of concept so you can see tangible business benefits. Next, we'll work with you to brainstorm specific AI use cases based on your business. Oftentimes, AI can do more than you think, and it just takes a partner to show you where it can help your day-to-day. Then it's time to plan. We'll show you custom, detailed examples of how Azure OpenAI can help your business and plan pilot phases. Finally, our team at TCS will help you prepare your business for your AI integration, from reorganizing management to formulating business strategies. We are already helping businesses around the globe implement Azure OpenAI service. For example, a large chemical factory based in Asia worked with us to discover how Azure OpenAI service could benefit their day-to-day operations. We helped them implement Azure OpenAI service on the factory floor. Now it is an invaluable part of their workstream and helps promote worker safety. We've also helped customer service centers at a major utility based in the US take advantage of Azure OpenAI service to lower response times and boost customer satisfaction. Discover how we can help you implement Azure OpenAI service into your business today. Click the link in the description to learn more.